The $7 billion plan to save New York's most hated train station. Pennsylvania Station, often dubbed New York's most hated train station, is poised for a remarkable transformation. Nestled beneath Madison Square Garden in the heart of Manhattan, Penn Station has long been criticized for its cramped quarters, labyrinthine passages, and outdated facilities. However, a visionary $7 billion plan is set to breathe new life into this transportation hub, promising to revitalize the commuter experience, enhance the city's infrastructure, and reshape the very fabric of Penn Station. The current state of Penn Station. Pennsylvania Station, located beneath Madison Square Garden in the heart of Manhattan, serves as a crucial transportation hub for over 650,000 daily commuters, making it one of the busiest train stations in the United States. However, the current state of Penn Station has long been a source of frustration for travelers and a subject of derision among New Yorkers. The station's suboptimal conditions, marked by overcrowding, inadequate signage, and outdated facilities, have garnered it a reputation as one of the most despised transportation hubs in the city. These issues have not only marred the commuter experience, but have also left visitors with a less than favorable impression of New York City's infrastructure. The vision for Penn Station. The $7 billion plan to transform Penn Station represents a visionary effort to reimagine this maligned transportation hub. It is more than just a renovation. It is a comprehensive endeavor to revitalize and reinvigorate the very essence of Penn Station. At its core, this ambitious undertaking seeks to create a station that transcends its utilitarian function and becomes a vibrant urban destination in its own right. The vision is not merely about resolving existing issues, but about redefining the role of Penn Station within the fabric of New York City, making it a place that inspires, comforts, and connects people. Expanding and enhancing concourses. One of the fundamental challenges of Penn Station has been its labyrinthine concourses, which have given rise to overcrowding and an often chaotic commute. The transformation plan addresses this issue head-on by envisioning expansive well-lit concourses with higher ceilings and improved signage. These changes are not merely cosmetic. They are designed to enhance the flow of passengers, alleviate congestion during peak hours, and create a sense of openness and comfort. By reimagining the concourses as more than just thoroughfares, but as spaces where travelers can move seamlessly and comfortably, the plan aims to redefine the very experience of navigating Penn Station. Modernization and amenities. Central to the vision for Penn Station is the concept of modernization. The station's facilities are set to undergo a comprehensive upgrade, ushering in a new era of comfort and convenience for commuters. This includes revamped waiting areas that prioritize comfort and accessibility, modernized restrooms that adhere to the highest standards of hygiene, and the introduction of contemporary retail spaces that cater to the diverse needs and preferences of travelers. Dining options and shopping outlets will be carefully curated, offering not just sustenance, but an opportunity to savor the flavors of the city and indulge in retail therapy. This transformation extends beyond functional improvements. It seeks to create an environment that engages the senses, provides respite, and transforms Penn Station into a place where passengers and visitors can linger, explore, and enjoy the journey as much as the destination. Architectural innovation and natural light. One of the most striking aspects of the transformation plan is its commitment to architectural innovation and the infusion of natural light. The design concepts for the revamped Penn Station envision architectural marvels that not only serve a practical purpose but also elevate the aesthetic and emotional experience of the station. Innovative design elements, such as soaring glass ceilings and strategically placed skylights, will channel natural light into the station's depths, dispelling the subterranean gloom that has characterized it for years. This infusion of light is not just an aesthetic choice, it is a symbol of renewal and hope. It is a reflection of the belief that even in the most challenging of environments, beauty and innovation can prevail. A catalyst for urban renewal. The $7 billion plan for Penn Station transcends the station's physical boundaries. It is a catalyst for urban renewal in the surrounding areas. The project is anticipated to have a ripple effect, spurring investment in the neighborhoods that Penn Station serves. It is not just about improving transportation, but about revitalizing communities, enhancing property values, and creating a more vibrant urban landscape. Penn Station's transformation is poised to contribute to the broader revitalization of Midtown Manhattan, further solidifying its status as a global hub of culture, commerce, and connectivity. Sustainable design and environmental responsibility. The transformation of Penn Station is not just about aesthetics and functionality. It is also deeply rooted in sustainability and environmental responsibility. In an age where environmental conservation is paramount, the plan takes significant strides to minimize the ecological footprint of the station's operations. Sustainable building materials, energy-efficient systems, and eco-friendly practices will be integral to the station's design and operations. This commitment to sustainability aligns with New York City's broader goals of reducing greenhouse gas emissions and fostering a more eco-conscious urban environment. Integration of cutting-edge technology. Modernization is not limited to physical infrastructure alone. It extends to the incorporation of cutting-edge technology. Penn Station's transformation will leverage state-of-the-art digital systems to enhance the commuter experience. Advanced wayfinding solutions, real-time updates on train schedules, and seamless connectivity through Wi-Fi and mobile apps will provide travelers with a more informed and connected journey. The integration of technology also opens up opportunities for innovative partnerships and collaborations that can further enhance the station's services. Preserving historical significance. While the transformation of Penn Station is forward-looking, it also pays homage to its historical significance. The design incorporates elements that respect the station's architectural heritage, echoing the grandeur of the original Penn Station that graced New York City in the early 20th century. The plan recognizes the importance of preserving historical landmarks even as the city evolves, ensuring that Penn Station remains a testament to the city's rich history and enduring spirit. Economic impact and job creation. The $7 billion plan for Penn Station is not only an investment in infrastructure, but also an economic catalyst. It is anticipated to generate significant economic activity, create jobs, and stimulate growth in the construction, hospitality, and retail sectors. The project's ripple effect extends to property values and economic development in the surrounding areas, contributing to the overall prosperity of New York City. A symbol of urban renewal. Ultimately, the transformation of Pennsylvania Station represents a symbol of urban renewal and reinvention. It underscores the resilience and adaptability of cities, reminding us that even the most challenging urban problems can be addressed with creative solutions and visionary leadership. Penn Station's revitalization is more than a renovation project. It is a statement of commitment to the well-being and quality of life of those who call New York City home and those who pass through its bustling corridors. The $7 billion plan to save New York's most hated train station, Pennsylvania Station, is a testament to the power of vision and the commitment to enhance the lives of commuters and the city's residents. It represents a bold endeavor to redefine Penn Station as more than just a transit point, but as a welcoming, functional, and aesthetically pleasing urban destination. It is a nod to the belief that even the most maligned spaces can be reborn, offering renewed hope and promise to those who traverse its corridors. As this transformation unfolds, it serves as a reminder that with innovation, investment, and unwavering dedication, even the most challenging urban problems can be addressed, making cities more livable, welcoming, and inspiring for all. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.